Following its facelift 7-seat Kodiaq SUV, Skoda has now updated its best-selling Karoq family crossover for 2022, with minor styling updates, improvements to the driver assistance and infotainment tech, more sustainable materials inside and better aerodynamics to improve efficiency from a revised engine lineup. The facelift Skoda Karoq will help keep the brand's popular SUV competitive in a class crowded with rivals that include the Hyundai Tucson, the new Nissan Qashqai, the Peugeot 3008 and soon, an all-new Kia Sportage. As a result, Skoda has refreshed the model's design. The grille is now hexagonal in shape and wider than before, while the headlights, now available with optional matrix LED tech, and taillight units are slimmer, getting a sharper look according to Skoda. The wheels, available in 17 to 19 inches, also now feature plastic aerodynamic trims. A new front bumper that features air curtains further helps to reduce drag and is joined by a restyled apron at the rear. Above this sits a larger spoiler, which completes the subtle exterior styling changes. However, these tweaks have a pronounced effect on the new Karoq's aerodynamic efficiency, reducing the drag coefficient by 9% compared with its predecessor. Inside, Skoda's updated SUV will be offered with an Eco Pack, which features seat covers made from vegan recycled materials. There is new LED ambient lighting available, featuring strips on the doors and dash that, according to Skoda, create new visual highlights. Depending on trim, the Karoq features new seats that Skoda claims offer more comfort. This includes an electric passenger seat with memory function for the first time, while electric lumbar support, and a VarioFlex system that allows the rear seat bench to be split 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds will both be options. Practicality is unchanged over its predecessor, with the new Karoq offering 521 liters of boot space. This rises to a maximum of 588 liters when optioned with the VarioFlex layout, while a maximum of 1,605 liters with the rear seats folded is available, or 1,810 liters with them removed altogether. Skoda has also given the Karoq a tech boost, with a Choice 2 digital dash displays now available. An 8-inch unit is standard with a 10.25-inch unit available as an option or on higher trim levels. The touchscreen infotainment units are familiar, with an 8-inch Amundsen unit the base system. There's a range-topping 9.2-inch Columbus setup, while all systems feature over-the-air map updates for the Sat and AV. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard too, while a wireless phone charging box is available as an option. The Karoq's engine lineup consists of 5 Evo-badged units that offer even greater efficiency and lower CO2 emissions compared with the outgoing car. The range starts with the entry-level 1.0-liter TSI 3-cylinder turbo petrol. This serves up 108 bhp and 200 Nm of torque and is mated exclusively to a 6-speed manual transmission that drives the front wheels only. Skoda's 1.5 TSI 4-cylinder turbo engine features active cyclinder technology that can cut 2 of the cylinders under light loads to improve efficiency. This unit offers 148 bhp and 250 Nm of torque and is available with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic as an option. The top-spec 2.0 TSI petrol features this gearbox as standard, sending 187 bhp and 320 Nm of torque to all 4 wheels. A choice of 2 2.0 TDI turbo diesels is available, both offered with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG transmission. The higher-powered 148 bhp model also boasts 4-wheel drive if you go for the DSG gearbox, while the lower-powered model serves up 114 bhp and up to 300 Nm of torque in manual form. DSG models only boast 250 Nm. Exact efficiency information is still to be confirmed. Safety has been given a boost, with up to 9 airbags available. Standard safety kit includes autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection and collision warning, while buyers will also be able to option 2 different travel assist packages. Both include predictive cruise control, with the lower package featuring traffic sign recognition, adaptive lane assist and traffic jam assist. The higher spec package offers park assist and side assist with rear traffic alert on top of this. From launch, 3 trim levels will be offered, starting with SE Drive. Above this will sit SEL, while a racier Sportline trim will crown the range and is the only specification available with the 2.0 TSI 190 DSG powertrain. Although all engine options bar for the 1.0 TSI are available in Sportline trim too. There are more gloss black exterior styling details, 18-inch alloy wheels and sports seats inside, along with extra piano black decoration and carbon fiber effect trim on the doors and dash. Full LED matrix headlights are fitted as standard. Prices for the new Karoq are yet to be revealed, but we expect a small increase over the outgoing 1.0 TSI SE Drive model's £24,520 list price once sales commence in 2022.